Good morning, everybody. So today we want to show you live trading of the robot. We want to show you exactly what's happening when you are live trading with the robot. So today is Monday, and I want to show you exactly what's going on with the robot, how it makes money for you. You will see exactly all the processes that are there when you are making money. So I want to show you, when I say you must be in control with the robot, what do I mean? So here's the robot. Here's the robot, as you can see, with the DPI there. With the DPI, here's the robot. My equity is on 40,000, as you can see there. So now I want to show you exactly what's happening with the robot. So let's just stay up until the end of the video, and you will see exactly what's going on. Everything will be transparent. You will see everything there. Cheers. Take care for now. Morning, folks. So this is what I'm talking about. I wanted to see this. Look at that. Look at the profit of the robot. The profit of the robot is running, as you can see, it's on positive side. And it's dropping, as you can see there. It's dropping. So we just keep on waiting. And we want to see more and more profits from the robot. So we keep on waiting for now, and we'll see. We'll just keep you updated. For now, we'll just wait. As you can see, it's all running in profit now. So these are trades that the robot gave me this morning. As you can see, it's all running in profit now. As you can see, the equity is on 40,000, and the profits are on around 6,000, 5,000. So as I said, that when the running profit is comfortable for you, feel free to close. Anytime you want. So I'm closing them because I feel comfortable with today's profit. Imagine if you are making this much every day, you are comfortable with making such profit. So I'm closing them comfortably. As you can see, there are no more trades. As you can see, the robot is done there. So you don't have to wait for the robot to close the trades for you. You can close anytime you want. As you see, I've closed my profits. So that's about it, guys. That is transparency for you. Nothing is hidden here. You can see everything. So that's about it. Cheers. Now to get the robot, it's only 1,000 rand, which is $75 for international clients, $75 for local clients, which is 1,000 rand. That's how much you pay for this robot in order for it to start working for you. You get access to it. I will send it to you via email. You send me your email after the payment. I send the robot, and you start making money. That's it.